Hey, thanks for clicking in today's video. We're talking pre-K. The application window opens next week. What you need to know, plus important updates for upcoming school choice fairs and a teacher job fair. We'll also hear from Superintendent Mike Miles as he meets with community partners, and a Kashmere teacher is sharing how she excelled under the NES model and how she's helping others do the same. It is Wednesday, January 14th. Let's get started. Well, up first, an important reminder for families with little ones regarding pre-K. Now take a look. The HISD pre-K application for the 2026-27 school year is opening Wednesday, January 21st. That's 1 week from today. If you're getting ready to apply, we've made it easy for you. You can find a complete list of important dates and deadlines on our school choice website. The address is on your screen, but take a look here. Once you go to schoolchoice.houstonisd.org, click on the button that says pre-kindergarten. There, you're going to find everything you need from application dates and the process to eligibility, criteria, and priorities. Also, a reminder for families with older students, the School Choice Phase 1 application window is still open. It closes February 27th. You have until then to select up to 10 schools of your choice. Now, these are the dates to keep in mind, and again, all of this information is available on our School Choice webpage. Now, if you'd like some help in person, have questions, or want to learn more about our schools and programs directly from district leaders, then join us at an upcoming School Choice Fair. The next one is on February 7th at the Mandarin Immersion Magnet School. Another one is happening on April 11th at Madison High School. Well, from students to teachers, if you want to teach here, we have a teacher job fair that's coming up tomorrow. Now, it'll be from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Wharton Dual Language Academy. You must register online to attend, though, and we have a link for you right below in the description of this video. And make sure you come prepared. Qualified candidates will even interview on the spot. Earlier this morning, Superintendent Mike Miles welcomed community partners for a breakfast meeting. It was a chance to share where the district is headed and what we need to get there. He shared key goals and initiatives to the real progress happening across HISD. Superintendent Miles also highlighted how we're raising the bar, celebrating success, and building momentum to keep moving forward together.
I mean, when our kids are passing the test of achievement, that's always a good thing. Anytime there's change, it's going to always be resistant, even if it's positive change, because people just like doing the same old thing the way they've done it all the time. But now the facts and the numbers are proving it's not subjective anymore, it's objective. Numbers don't lie.
We also talked about the challenges, though. We talked about the declining enrollment and voucher programs and the fact that we have less money to fund our kids in the future. And we talked about alternatives to expand those abilities to get additional funds and all that. So I think the takeaway is we got a lot of work to do. We're doing a really good job right now.
Hey everybody, good evening.
The District Advisory Committee, or DAC, met last night. Now, one key item on their agenda is the academic calendar for next school year. Back in December, we shared how the DAC reviewed 2 proposed calendar drafts. Those drafts were then sent out to district teachers and staff and our families for feedback. Now remember, you have until Friday to fill out your calendar feedback survey. The goal is to have a recommended calendar placed on the board agenda next month for final approval. We'll keep you posted. Well, now to campus close-up. This week, we're at Kashmere High School, an NES campus offering strong academic programs, expanded access to CTE pathways, and has seen steady improvement in recent years. The campus is now pushing for that next goal, an A rating. And it's all happening in part thanks to dedicated teachers and staff. Kashmere High School's Sydney Edwards teaching career is taking off. And speaking of, today's news story from Kashmere is highlighting one of those dedicated teachers, algebra teacher Sydney Edwards. Her teaching career blasted off by delivering strong results in the classroom, earning high marks on TEAC walks, and becoming a go-to support for her team. You can watch the full story on our channel and across our social media pages. Now, before we go, a quick reminder that tomorrow night is our regular board meeting. It starts at 5 p.m. right here in Hattie May. Remember, it'll be live streamed on our website and right here on the HISD Now YouTube channel. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you'll get an alert when we go live, and you'll also see when new content goes up. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.